Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, and the DXY analysis. This is Thomas with you again, guys. So if is it the first time of you here, yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day put in for you 2 videos. One after the European market, we analyze for you the SP 500, the Nasdaq, and the DXY. And one after the daily candle finished, we analyze for you only the Bitcoin at that time. So if you are interested about the SP, the Nasdaq, and the DXY after European market close, and if you are only a crypto trader after the daily candle close, so let's start our lesson of today, guys. As you see here, guys, what we got at the SP 500, also we enter short because we used to be here. We used to have here that megaphone here. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. Now it came to that zone here. It gave us here that flag like that. But till now, it couldn't break downward here. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. If we are going to break down here, we are going to fall down more, or it's going to come upward. And why today it came that falling down? Because as you remember yesterday, also we been going up, and today it started falling. Why? Because some news will come today. Let me show it to you. Is it that one, guys? That ADP payroll employment, it came better than expected. People, they getting the jobs in America. So that's something good, but the Fed, it saw it like something bad. So let me show it to you to explain to you something more. So as you see here, guys, that here, the previous one, it used to be 182K. This month, it came 235K. That's when a lot of people defending the jobs. That's something very good. But if you look in here at the initial jobless claim, that when people they losing the jobs is getting lower here. As you see it here, the previous month it used to be 223K, and this month it came 204. So what that indicating, guys? It's indicating the unemployment rate it's falling down, and the Fed, what me I tell it to you before, I told you the Fed he want the unemployment rate to reach to 4%, between 4% to 5%. So it used to be 3.7, and when that month it came like that the EDP and the initial jobless claim, it's telling us the unemployment rate is going to come below the 3.7. I'm trying to explain like that for everyone to understand. So the unemployment rate is going to come below the 3.7. So what that is going to indicate to the Fed is going to increase more interest rate. That's what I told you yesterday. So also we haven't finished, guys, because if unemployment it started falling, that's when people they will get cash. And the Fed doesn't want that, because to understand those things, you need to read about the cycle, economic cycle. And there is one video, I think, about if you know Ray Dalio. That person explained that concept very, very well. There is circles like that, and every circle there is like that. So now also we are in a small circle, but a bigger circle also we like that, guys. So I think I explained a little bit for you. So try to read more about that if you want to know about economic. So what that going to indicating, guys, as you see it, even if you zoom it here in that table here, what you see in here today, the VIX is getting very, very, very high. That means scaredness is getting more high. People are getting more scared about the Fed, about what he said yesterday and what the unemployment came today. So that is telling us the Fed, it will not ease, it will tight more, and that's something very bad, guys. And even the US dollar here, it tell you that. I've been telling you the US dollar, I think it reached the bottom, and that's what it's showing here. Now it's going back to the chart to analyze for you more about the SP 500. So let's go in there, guys. So here in the chart, guys, we don't got nothing new. We're still waiting the break to happen down here. If it happened here, the down of that channel here, oh well, falling more. Also we enter short from here. We're still waiting. If it fall down more, also we're still collecting more cash. Now the stop loss of us, we will move it here to break even, guys. If it fall down more, fair enough. That's how we trade. For long, there is no long yet, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, is it here at the oversold area. But over here, it's showing it's going to enter again to the oversold area. And that one is just an oscillator, guys. You don't need to base your trading about it. And now the levels you got, those ones, you need to focus on about them. The level you got, that one here where you are, is a very stronger level here. Second one is down here, guys. Look at it. You see that peak here. That one, another level. So if we break in that one, 100%, we're going to go to here, to that 3,520. So you need to make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look here, very clear, guys. What it give us here, a very clear head and shoulder. But till now, it doesn't break in here, the neckline here. And here in 30 minutes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Here, look at it. Last time from here you go up, this time from here, and now you are in it again. So for you to enter short now, it's too hard, guys. The short it's being from here will have you enter short like that. If you do in here like a triangle like that, when it's breaking here, will have you enter short. Now you are in a place where to start thinking of to protect yourself. It's might from here you're going to see it going upward because that market you can't trust in it, guys. I think picture is too clear now. Now what should you do? You just waiting if it's going to break here, because even in the 4 hours also we are in a very stronger level. Let's see if it's going to break it and to fall down, or it's going to go back upward. Till now here the volume here it's showing is going to change the direction, because look at those candles there. Let me zoom it to you and to see it. As you see them, those candles, all of them, they got tails from down, and there is no candle could break that level here. So you are in a very stronger level, guys. You need to be careful now what's going to happen. Our indicator, let's see it what it's saying. And even here our indicator, it's being here at the overbought area, at the time when you should be looking for short. As you see it, will have you make like that triangle here like that. So when it's breaking here, or that pin-out here as we call it, when it's breaking here, will have you enter short, guys. Now you need to think it off to take some of the profit and to look in now if there is any buy opportunity. If it's not, that short position you enter from here, you move the stop loss to break even and to close some of the profit. If it fall down more, fair enough. If it go back up and hitting the stop loss for you, that's a part of the trading. So it's like that how they trade people. And here now you can do even something like that, guys. Look with me here. As you see it, you got here an uptrend. Every time we touching the lower of it, we go up, and now we touching the lower of it. So let's see if it's going to go back upward here or no. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Nasdaq 100. Here, that one, the same thing. We enter short because we used to have here in the 4 hours that mega phone. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. Till now, look where we are. Same thing, same news. It's applying for that one. And that one, it give you here a very clear head and shoulder here in the 4 hours. And here it's breaking the neckline now. But till now, you're still in a very powerful level here. Look at it. You can even thinking of to enter now. If we don't break in that level here, there is no entry long, guys. And that one also, when did we enter short? Because we used to have here that wage like that. People they been with us for some time, us we enter from here. Till now, us we still in a very nice profit, guys. We don't have nothing to lose now. Now, it try to give you here a small wage now, or a small down channel like that. So, it's need either to break upward here, or either to break downward here. Till now, it doesn't break no up, no down, so there is no entry, guys. Because now here, if you enter short now, that means you never ever trade, because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it, guys. All the times it's been touching here, it's being reversing. So now if it doesn't break in here, there is no entry long. Remember that just for swing trading. For swing trading, if it doesn't break in down here, actually the short it's being from here. Now here is the time to start taking profit. Now you need to looking for a buy opportunity. It need to break up that channel here, guys. Look with me how I draw it. You go to your chart and you do it like that. If it doesn't come and break in here, there is no entry long. Now to enter short, you never ever trade, because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. Everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button. Go ahead and do it, please. Support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the oversold area. So also we need to look in here for a buy opportunity now. The buy opportunity, I'll show you here the price action you got here, that channel here. Look at it how I draw it. If it doesn't come and break in here upward, there is no entry. There is no entry. Yeah, so you need to wait in the market to come to break here, to break that neckline here. Look at it. You can even draw it like that. If it came and break in here, a candle closing above that level here, you can enter long. Till now, if there is nothing yet. Short, also we enter here. If it came down and breaking here down, that means it's going to fall down more, and also we're going to collect more profit. Because that one down is just an oscillator. You don't need to base all your trading on it. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Look at that head and shoulder here in 30 minutes, how clear it is. You saw it or no? Look with me here. I'm not drawing top of it for you to learn to catch in those things. Not the neckline. Actually, it's breaking here, even the neckline. That's why I told you there is more falling down. I've been telling you that from the start of the week. I told you not yet. Some people are telling you when they saw in here that uptrend like that. Oh, we are in an uptrend, blah, blah, blah. No, we are not. Because we stay in sideways here. There is nothing changed. And the Fed, it's still every day came and scaring us. Every day he's saying they are going to tighten more. And now that unemployment rate we came today is going to tell you is going to be more tightening in USA. So now what should we do here? It's our indicator. Our indicator is telling us we being here at the overbought area. Now we are at the oversold area. What should we do? We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter long? No, my friend. There is no price action here indicating for you. You need to enter long. For short, you used to have here same thing, that triangle here. Look at it. When it's getting broke here, we'll have you enter short. But now for long, did you have any price action here indicating for you? You need to enter long. Only price action you have is that one. If that one came and break in here, but it's going to be very late for you to enter long from here. Unless if it in the coming hours or days, it's going to give you here another price action. That yes, you can enter long, but now no, you're still in a downtrend. Look at it. There is no price action here indicating for you need to enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar index, what it's doing today, guys. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours for swing traders in the DXY. That one, the last video, what I told you here. Here, exactly about that level here. That's where we used to be in the last video. You can find it in the channel. I told you if we came and we breaking that last peak here, that meant the trend is changed. What it doing now? Let's zoom it like that, then we explain those things. The last video we used to be here, guys. Yes or no? In that place here. I told you if it came and breaking here, that high, that meant the trend is changed. Why? Why did I say that? Because also we used to have here a downtrend, and that downtrend, it's being broke here in that peak here. Then it came and tested again. Now it's showing to us it's breaking that last high here, and it's breaking the 200 moving average here. What all that is indicating? That is indicating the trend it changed from a downtrend here to an uptrend. The DXY is going up because the unemployment data will come today, guys. That means the Fed is going to come to us with more tightening. We're going to see the market falling down more, guys. That's the reality. That's how you need to connect in dots. Fed, what it doing, why to come here. And technical analysis, it give you a clear picture where is the entry and where is to go out. That candle here, it's left for 30 seconds now. So it's going to close like that above the 200 moving average. That is going to indicate that the market is going to go higher. Where is the levels? You need to make a close eye at them. That's the level. Here at 107. That's what me I've been telling you. I tell you that the target. When we used to be here at 103, I told you the target it needs to be at 107. And that's what it's showing. Yes, we got here another level here. Look at it here. But me, I think it's going to do like that. Then after that, it's going to go higher till 107, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. Because why also we said that 107? Because we used to have like that here. And we make it like that. And in the place where it's breaking, we make it like that. That way also we said that 107 here. Everything is very simple, guys. That's how also we trade. It's break here, we enter long. Stop loss, we put it because without stop loss there is no trading. That's another story. So don't come to me and start following me without using stop loss. Then you came to blaming me in the future. No, if you don't using stop loss, don't even follow me. That's it. I tell it to you from now. If you don't using stop loss, don't even follow me. We enter from here now. We are in nice profit now, and we moving the stop loss up, and we try to protect ourselves now, guys. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold all along, guys. Now it's enter here to overbought area, guys. As you see it or no? What should you do now? Protect yourself. People, they enter with us from here, move stop loss to that last peak here, and here, take some of the profit to be in risk-free. You move the stop loss to the break even. Because me I'm talking here because me I'm using margin. If you don't using margin, you just using spot, that's another story. You move stop loss to the break even. You take some of the profit and you let the rest to run. It's going to go more higher than that, but you are in a place where you need to be careful and to take some of the profit. Everything is too clear. Let's see it in 30 minutes to see more clear picture. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders, used to have like this. Look at it. A peanut like that. When it came at breaking here, in that level here, we'll have you enter long till here. Look, everything is very simple, guys. So if you enter from here as a scalper, where you should put the stop loss now? Here. And now you need to take some of the profit. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Let's see our indicator. Our indicator is telling us also we enter here at the overbought area. So we should start thinking of to protect ourselves and to looking for a short opportunity. Did we got any price action now? You can make like that. You got here like a channel. Like that. But channel, it doesn't touch the top of it. That means it's going to go more higher than that. Then to wait and to break here for scalping is too much, guys. So you need to wait till now the market to give you here a price action for you to enter short. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today. So it's going there in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes in the Bitcoin. Here in 30 minutes, me have been telling you all yesterday, been waiting that break here to happen here. It's breaking here. Where did I put stop loss? Stop loss, me I put it here because that one is scalping. I put it here. Why I put it there? I'm going to tell you why. Because we got here a head and shoulder, guys. Look at it. Should you enter short with me? No, you don't enter. Me I enter short because I just aiming to catch him few pips or few points. You know, also we are in an uptrend. Look, also we are above the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average. It's reacting like a stronger support. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's near to the oversold area, guys. So what should you do now? You waiting for a buy opportunity, waiting that one to enter here to the oversold area. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now, guys.